Hey guys, I just wanted to run through a great two-part mod done by Pursuit and Bcrook for the Nexus 1 running CyanogenMod 5.0.6. They have a bunch of other versions running for other devices, but I believe so far they all require CyanogenMod 5.0.7. Anyway, the first part of the mod is a 15 recent applications switcher that takes over the long press home key behavior that's usually used by a 6 most recently used applications switcher. It's basically kind of like Alt-Tab, and it lets you just go through the last 15 most recently used applications. Really self-explanatory. Great thing is that it doesn't seem to use any more battery life or power or resources compared to the usual 6 application switcher, even though it provides, I think, a lot more usability. So anyway, that's just the first part, and it will replace the behavior of the long press key permanently. So the only way you can really change that is by either digging through the settings and replacing it yourself, or just doing an Android backup restore, which I hope you always make before any image or ROM flashing. Anyway, that's the first part, and the second part is AVLock, and it provides a far more, well, I think anyway, far more effective security scheme for unlocking your device. So the usual behavior for unlocking an Android phone is just sliding through 9 points, or as many as 9 points. With AVLock, you can actually turn this off and basically enable this pin lock that you see here. And first, you're gonna have to just turn off the pattern that you've already made. Hope you made a pattern. And then you'll just have to turn on the pin lock, and then you'll see another option light up called Set Pin Check Timeout. Basically, it'll be the timeout period from when you let go of your finger and stop inputting onto the different pin spaces, and it'll then evaluate the pin, so on and so forth. Anyway, so first, after doing that, just go to Set Unlock Pattern and make up a new pattern. Oh, and sometimes you mess up, but basically instead of any kind of slidey through obvious kind of mechanism, this is just pointless at this point. You get to basically go through as many points as you want and overlap as often as you want. So instead of basically someone seeing you put in this really precious unlock code for basically all your emails and stuff, at least for me, they're probably forgotten by now what exactly your password is, and I don't even remember it. So I'll just make something easy. And so this is a great little feature. And yeah, I probably should pick something shorter, but it just kind of goes to show just how powerful this is. And so you turn this off, turn it on, try it out. Hopefully I didn't forget it. Oh, I got it. So I'm going to turn this off again. So anyway, those are the two parts of the mod here. And AVLock in 15 recent applications, you can basically just download the zip file from the site and then flash it using recovery, your recovery console or a ROM manager, and that's about it. All right, thanks.